Hello, welcome to Physics Online with OKLinks. All right, today we want to look at a very important question facing us right here on the board. And the question says, calculate the EMF of the cell in the circuit below if its internal resistance is negligible. All right, from this diagram, this is the circuit, and the circuit contains the current given to us 4.0 amperes, and then the two resistors of resistances 3 ohms and 6 ohms. So we've been told to find the EMF of the circuit. So it's a simple question to solve. So just make use of the formula and then you are good to go. So here is the formula. Solution: EMF, otherwise called the voltage, is equal to the current multiplied by the resistance. So what is the value of the current here? It is equal to 4 from here. Okay, then the resistance, of course, we have two resistances. Okay, then all we need to do is to find the total or the equivalent resistance from that circuit. Okay, for us to be able to find the total resistance, we make use of the formula. Since the two resistors are connected in parallel, all we need to do is to find the total resistance is equal to the product over the sum. Yeah, when they are connected in parallel and they are two in number, we make use of product over sum to get the equivalent resistance. So here we have the first one is 3, the second one is 6, then divided by the first one, which is 3 plus what? 6, that is product over sum. So 3 times 6 is 18. Then 3 plus 6 is 9. Then when you cancel out, you now get 2 ohms. So the value of equivalent resistance is 2 ohms. Then you bring it in here and then say current, which is 4, multiplied by the effective resistance, which is now 2, gotten from this part. Okay, now the EMF is equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8.0 volts. And that is the answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you.